Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, one side was done with the straightener, one side was done with curling irons. If you want to see how I do it, stay tuned, enjoy, give it a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. So let's start with the flat iron side, and then I will show you the side with the curling iron and show that you can still get the same look with two different tools and kind of the same technique but different. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to split the front from the back, just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we're just going to section this bit away. I just sort of leave this side hanging, but if you find it easier, just clip it away so it's not flapping about everywhere. Okay, so grab your iron. Just gonna give it a brush. Okay. And what you're gonna do is I'm just gonna grab this section here. Grab that size. And I'm gonna go away from my face and pick up this little piece here. Drop it down. Let her cool. Grab another section. Do the same. Away from the face. Drop down. Tight. Drop down. Pull tight. Drop down. The same. Oh, I nearly just burnt myself. Your next section, and this is so quick and easy to do. Like, I've already nearly done this back whole section, and we're just gonna let that sit and cool. Okay, now I'm gonna take this front section with a brush, and I start from the back going forward so I can see what I'm doing. Grab a section like this. If you find that you've grabbed your section too big and it's not working, just go again. Hold your section. And the reason this gives you sort of like a more beachy sort of wave is because you're going down, not going horizontal or against, because that's going to give you more volume going this way than this way. If you think you haven't done one very well, just wait until the end, wait until everything cools down, because if you keep going over and over, it's just going to get all frazzled and it's not going to know what to do. So just wait until it cools down and then have a look at it when it's done. So that's one half done, all with the iron, or with the straightener. So I use the Cloud9 hair straightener, flat iron. I think everyone generally has a straightener this size, and that's why I'm showing it with this one. I could do this with the fatter one, but most people have a size straightener this size. So let me grab my curling iron and I'll show you how to do this with. So I just use a GHD. This is, I think, a 26. It's not the big one. It's the one down from that. If you use a bigger one, it's just going to give you a looser, bigger wave. I have shorter hair, so I find I like the smaller one better for my length hair. That is a personal preference. Yeah, I would do this with a bigger barrel. I don't have a bigger barrel. I find I just use this size more often, and I think that's why I don't have one. Otherwise, I just use my fatter iron. Okay, again, we're just splitting this. that help? Okay, iron's all heated up. Take our section like this. We're going to do the exact same motion. Back. Flicker in the back. I don't want to, when I do my hair, I really don't like spending too much time. I don't really like to be too neat about it. That's all done. Now for the front section. So guys, it really doesn't take long to do this, I promise. The smaller the sections you do, the tighter and smaller the wave will be. My sections are pretty much vertical. Okay, last little section. Okay, so while we're sitting like Shirley Temple, you can kind of see obviously that has a bit more control. This is a bit more looser. We'll shake it out and we'll have a look at how it all looks when, and see if you can actually tell the difference. You might. This I think holds better, but you can still get the exact same result with a straightener. Alright, this side's cool, so I'm just going to start using my hands and just sort of break it up. You'll see how I've got like this nice, gorgeous beach wave. Love that. Alright, I'm happy. Let's cool it down, shake it out. That's it, guys. We're all done. Like, you could go over this side. So, what did you guys think? Do you think it looks nice? Do you prefer it with the flat iron or do you prefer it with the curling iron? I think if you're going traveling, you might as well just pack a straightener and you can do both. I think you get the same look. Maybe this side's a bit better, but I really like it. I think it's a nice, quick and easy look. And I hope you guys try it out. Let me know how you go. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Not a smooth talker under pressure.